Okay, Tesla just had a new update. And with that new update, all Tesla owners get 30 days free of full self-driving. So, what we're going to do today, I'm going to show you how to make sure that you have it, set it all up, and then we're going to take a drive using the full self-driving software. So, let's go to the screen here. First, you want to make sure you have the software. So, you just go to the software, and the software, updated software, has to be a 12.3 or higher, okay? Once you update your software, you can use the full self-driving for 30 days, okay? So look, so you have that. Then what you probably want to do is then you want to go to your autopilot settings. Once you're in the autopilot settings, make sure it says full self-driving supervised, okay? So you want to make sure that's right. Also, I would highly recommend for the full self-driving supervised. I know mine usually defaulted to assertive. I would start out on average because it could be a little scary sometime when the car driving itself and it's really, it's changing lanes, it's being more aggressive, cutting in front of people. So you don't want to do that. Just keep it on average. So it looks like we are all set here. Also, with the new update, when the vehicle is parked, when it's in park, you have a nice big screen right here with the new update. It has your navigation right here. If you have your home or work saved, you can do it right here, and then the navigation. Just click on that little thing right here. But I really love this feature right here, which is kind of cool. So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to take a drive. Let's see how this full self-driving works. I know the last time I had a little trial, it wasn't that great. So we're going to go ahead and see. Let's take a drive with me. Here we go. Okay, now we're going to check out the FSD. So for FSD, all you want to do is the drive stock. You just want to hit it down twice. All right, now it's on full FSD right now.
So I'm gonna let this guy
See, that's a little one strike, but I'm gonna put it back on again. Okay. Now we're in full self-driving mode right this second. So let's see. Seems to be doing pretty good. It's almost like it's looking left, looking right, like most humans would do. All right. Now at this stop sign, it should be making a left. Good job. Good job. Not too bad. So far, so good. One little error right there, but let's see. Now this little intersection is normally pretty tough to cross, but let's see. It seems to be doing pretty good. It's stopping like I would do. Good. It's looking both ways. Now let's see if it's going to get out there. Okay. It's making a good decision. I probably would have just hit the gas real quick and went straight, but it's being safe. So let's see. It's looking around. It's looking around. Not bad. Not bad. It's it's waiting. All right. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Again, I don't have my hands on the wheel or anything, so that's good. It's saying apply some force to the steering wheel, but instead of doing that, I'm just going to hit this little scroll bar right here, so I don't have to put my hand on the steering wheel. So right now, it seems to be doing pretty good. It's moseying right along, not bad. And I know we're going to a construction site right here. By the way, over there, that's where the Cincinnati Reds plays their. That's their a minor league team right there. We're in the beautiful state of AZ. It's telling me to apply. Okay, so let's see how it's working here. All right, seems to be doing too bad. I don't know why it's slowing up right here. Maybe it's just being extra cautious. And then it's moving down. Let's see, not bad. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Let's try to speed this baby up. Let's see. Okay, seems to be fairly cautious right here. And I have it it's set for 46 miles an hour, and you can see it's only doing 37, which is good because this is a construction zone here. And again, no hands. And you got to be really trusting in technology to just to, just to sit back and relax while all this stuff is going on and your hands free. So it's different. Now let's see. It's coming up to this thing. Let's see if it's gonna just move away. Yeah, it actually moved away from those cones. Very nice. That was nicely done. And again, this vehicle is just going straight. In another video, I'm going to show it actually going through the city streets of Phoenix. So it seems to be working. Seems to be going pretty good. Not too bad so far. And I think this is the way the world is heading to self-driving. And they say if we had all autonomous vehicles on the streets, there'll be less accidents. So that remains to be seen. But I mean, eventually, 10, 15, 20, definitely 30 years from now, you're not going to see a whole lot of people driving vehicles on the car. It's going to be autonomous. Right? We're still on FSD here. And let's see how this thing works. Okay, I know it should be getting in the right lane. Good. Nicely done there. Nicely done there. Seems to be going to a stop sign pretty nicely. Nice. Easy. By the way, also with the new update, the 3D, they enhanced the 3D visualization. So if you look at this and look how cool that is. It's almost like a bird's eye view, that one. That's kind of cool right there. Okay, so it has all of that. It has all your lights and everything. Um, and you can actually see right here where you have the vehicle in front of me. They have their brake lights on. You can see it right there. And then when we get moving, it's going to show the brake lights come off. So I think Tesla did a really good job there as far as the 3D visualization. And it has the cars going through the intersections. Like you see that truck there, and it depicts it right here. So that's pretty good. Now the vehicle's getting ready to start up again. And let's see how it's got. We're going to go to a little strip mall here. Go to a little strip mall. Let's see how it maneuvers there. Actually, a Burlington Coat factory over here. Nicely done here. Nicely done, I must say. Saying apply some force to the steering wheel, but I'm just going to use my scroll bar here on the right. Okay, so doing nicely. Let's see if it just keeps. Yep, it's going to keep going here. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. And again, this is cars basically driving itself. How cool is that? I would have never thought that the year 2024, I'll be driving a fully autonomous vehicle down the street. Now, let's see, there's a car there. It didn't do that. Let's see if it's going to make a right here. Oh, beautiful. Nicely done. Nicely done. Then you see the Burlington is right in front of us. Let's see how it does that. It's probably going to park right in front of Burlington. Let's see how that works. Okay, it's checking both ways. Not too bad. Everything is going on its own. And here we go. Beautiful. Okay, that's nicely done. Hey, well, listen, I tell you, this is a good feature to have. Those of you who updated your Teslas, updated your software, this would be a great opportunity for you to try the fully autonomous version. And whether or not you're going to purchase it or not, I think it's like $12,000 or $200 a month. So anyway, hope you found that interesting. We'll see you at the next video.